What's up, everybody? We're back on the vlog. So today we're heading to Tucson to pick up the keys to the new properties. So I kind of wanted to show you what the day looks like, and I felt like filming a vlog. So we're gonna drive down to Tucson, Arizona from Phoenix, where I live, and we'll get to see the new houses that we bought and kind of give you an idea of what the plans are for the houses, and that'll kind of be the first step in this series because renovations start tomorrow. So if you don't know, when I originally started my YouTube channel, I vlogged for 30 days straight every single day. So if you haven't, it'd be, you can go back and watch those. It's pretty cool to see. When I was first starting out, didn't know how to use a microphone or anything like that, and so a lot of people always ask me about filming more vlogs, so here you go. So we'll see if I can make a drive down to Tucson look exciting. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and let's get to Tucson. So we made it from Phoenix to Tucson. So this is the front yard of the new house. It's got a carport, no garage, and so we'll go inside. So now it's ours. So here's the house. It's pretty clean. One of the things that we're gonna do is we're going to drywall over all of this so that it's not half drywall, half brick. That way it just looks cleaner. We're gonna paint. Obviously these floors have to go. They're in great shape, but they gotta go for a flip. And then here in the kitchen, we're gonna tear out all these cabinets and everything. We're gonna tear this wall out, and this will just be a wall. And we're gonna make an island in the middle here instead of having this wall of cabinets. And then we'll do like a little enclosure for the fridge right here. Sink will stay here, so we'll do like a undermount sink here. We'll probably center the stove in the middle here and put a microwave and everything above it. And then we'll keep a pantry cabinet here. It's got washer and dryer indoors, which is huge. So washer dryer hook up here. So this door goes out to the carport. Right now it doesn't have AC, so it has this mini split, which we'll be taking out. It's a 4-bedroom, so it's already got 6-panel doors. So we'll paint these doors, put new hardware on them. So new hinges, new doorknobs. We'll do all new baseboards. We'll get rid of this custom setup for the AC and paint everything. If this was a rental, we really wouldn't have to do much to it other than get the AC going. But here you see the bathroom. Obviously needs a new tub, new tile. Not really sure what this, I don't know if you could tell, but this is 2 different tiles, so I don't know what they're really thinking there. But yeah, we'll do a cabinet in here with a sink, and we'll get rid of this garbage, just put a regular mirror, a nice little light. And here's another bedroom. And then this is the master. So it's kind of small, but it's got a closet, it's got a bathroom on it. So we'll redo the shower, we'll retile everything, and then we'll put up a glass door here. And then new toilet, new vanity, and that's pretty much it. The landscaping on the outside, we're just gonna keep very simple. We're just gonna clean up all the weeds and the growth. It's got a decent sized backyard, but we'll just clean it up and do our thing back there, but nothing too crazy. But yeah, this is the house. So we paid $175 for this house, and it's about 1,600 square feet, I believe. And our goal is we're gonna put about $35,000 into it, and that includes the new AC system, flooring, paint, everything we've talked about. And then our goal is to sell it for around $275. So if everything works out as planned, this could be a pretty good investment, pretty good flip for us. Originally when we were buying it, we thought we would keep it as a rental, but when we were buying it, we were under contract at $190, and we thought the ARV was around $235, $240, and now there's some new comps that are showing like $260, $265 that aren't fully renovated. and our purchase price went down to 175. So it's become a pretty good flip at this point. And the rental rate for this home after we renovate it would probably be $1,700, maybe $1,800 if we're lucky, since it's a 4-bedroom. But yeah, we think we'll just get a run on the board, flip this, and then use the profits to go buy a couple more rentals. So that's step one. So that's the plan for this house. So the next house that we're going to, I showed you guys on the introduction to my new business. It's the townhome across town. And so I won't spend too much time there, but that project, we're only spending about $5,500 on that one, and that starts tomorrow as well. So both of these projects start tomorrow. So I bought these lock boxes off of Amazon, and they suck. There's literally no room for the key on the inside. Like, all the room for the key is taken up by the lock mechanism. Got to go to Home Depot and get some lock boxes. Although I probably shouldn't. There's an In-N-Out across the street from the Home Depot, so I think this will be my 3rd time having In-N-Out this week. So fitness is off the rails, but I'm in Tucson, I'm starving, and it's lunchtime, so. So we have a bit of a worst case scenario. I don't know if you could see it, but the key fell in between the seat and under the seat bracket, and like now it's stuck between like the carpet and the seat bracket, and I'm in the parking lot of In-N-Out trying to wiggle it out. So I don't have a spare key either. Kind of worst case scenario. So I'm gonna try to use the other key to wedge out the original key, but can't get my fingers under there, and the seat's bolted in. So I don't know what we're gonna be doing. I might be here for a while. So I used this key, and I was kind of fiddling underneath the bracket, and I finally got the key this far. So now you guys get to see the very best part, just pulling it out. All right, now we're gonna go set up the lock boxes. Also, I didn't realize I didn't have anything to open these lock boxes with, so I'm here. My trusty tool, a key, saving the day in both avenues. So for those of you who haven't seen the first video when we first bought this property, here's a quick tour. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhome. We're gonna keep the floors. We're gonna need some drywall and paint work, carpet on the stairs, some doors, obviously carpet in the bedrooms, new closet doors, new fans, new slider here. Fix that up, whatever that is. But it's got a washer dryer. The bathrooms are pretty decent. Obviously they need to be cleaned up, but for the most part, we're gonna keep the tile surround. We'll put new fixtures on the tub, new toilets. We could probably clean these sinks up, maybe put new faucets, new light switches throughout the whole house, and new light fixtures. So the kitchen, which is one of the most expensive parts of the remodel, is good. Like, cabinets are in great shape. Countertops, we already have stone countertops. We're gonna keep those, clean them up, but we'll add some hardware to these cabinets and just clean them up. We already got a fridge, stove, microwave. Looks like the microwave is plugged in down here, so maybe we'll move that plug somewhere. But overall, pretty good. Upstairs, new carpet up here, but bathroom, similar condition. We'll fix up this vanity, paint it. Shower, just need to clean the glass and get a new faucet. New fans, new lights. Closet's good. New fan here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my trip to Tucson. These projects start tomorrow, so stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated on the construction. But make sure you like and subscribe so you can continue to follow these projects. If you wonder my investment theory on how I'm getting these deals on these properties, watch my Wash and Talks. I'll post a tab to them right now. But I kind of talk about how I'm able to invest in real estate in such a competitive, highly priced market. So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. See you next time.
I'm just really trying to show you no love.